Welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about, well, we're not talking about lawn tractors.
We are not.
What are we talking about? Why do we have this John Deere?
We're talking about a technology that John Deere has, and that's the easy oil change filters. Now, they're running these on a lot of the 100 series tractors now. They're exploring options on going into other things, but right now it's just on a majority of the 100 series lawnmowers.
Okay, so we're talking about an oil filter.
Yeah, so this is an oil filter, and I'm going to show you. This is what you purchase, and that's
looks like
right
an oil
there.
filter.
It's preloaded with oil. So what you do is
so it has oil in it.
Yes.
Interesting.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So you don't have to drain the oil. This is very handy. You do it every 50 hours or once a year is what you're going to do. But the oil change is this easy. That's it.
Well, then you put the
Take the new one on. It's done.
Right, so you don't have to mess with a drain plug or anything like that. Get your garage all messy.
Yes, there's some people that want to get all the oil out, and you can do that. There's a drain plug on the bottom. But these hold approximately 2.8 quarts of oil. This replaces 0.8 quarts of it. Now, there's 40% more oil in these. They've got better filtration. They run at cooler temps. That's how they're getting the extended oil lives to do this with this technology. So
cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. I mean, for a person who doesn't want to get under, you don't get dirty. You don't need rags. Right. It's that fast.
So if you're in the market for a lawn tractor and you don't like changing oil, this is probably something that you're going to want to take into consideration when you're shopping.
Yeah, look at the 100 series. And now these filters run about $39, and they stock them at most of the Home Depots. Check your store locations, but it's once a year or every 50 hours. I mean, that's pretty great. And if you want to remove that drain plug, remember there is a drain plug at the bottom to get all that oil out, but you do need to replace all that approximately 2.8 quarts of oil. So
cool. Yeah, very, very cool. So about $40. It's the John Deere Easy Change oil filter. Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love. Pretty cool.
I mean, could you make it more easy?
No,
exactly.
Even
I can't believe it.